Hey, thrill junkies. Welcome to another adrenaline rush. Today, we're in Bellewaerde Park in Belgium because we have a date with gravity, the Screaming Eagle. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Screaming Eagle. In 3D. You can already see it, the colossal tower that shoots 50 meters, about 164 feet, into the sky. The Screaming Eagle isn't your ordinary drop tower. It's a shot-and-drop tower, built by the renowned German manufacturer HUSS Rides, known for its innovative thrill attractions. What makes it so special is its unique propulsion system. Instead of being slowly pulled up, the gondola is launched skyward by a compressed air system. You can feel the raw power as it propels us to nearly 80 kilometers per hour, about 50 miles per hour, in just a few seconds. In the waiting area, you can see the faces of people, a mix of anticipation and nervousness, and you can't help but wonder, what's really going on here? The brief but explosive acceleration is just the beginning. What many don't know is that the gondola doesn't just shoot up once, it bounces multiple times before the real free fall begins. It's a double or even triple shot of adrenaline for anyone brave enough to ride.
Ah, fährt auch jetzt. Bist schön drauf. Bist ja jetzt geht dazu. Zack. Bitte? Ja, guck mal, ne? Ja, das ist ja die Hoppbahn. Ja. Auf einmal ging's hoch. Schön. Ach, guck dir das an. Guck's dir an. Oh. Sehr schön. Herrlich. Fliegen wir noch mehr? Ich will jetzt auch ein zweites Mal.
We're back on the ground. Unbelievable how fast that was, right? This short break is the calm we need before the next storm. Our hearts are racing, our hands are sweaty, but one look up tells us the ride isn't over yet. The Screaming Eagle doesn't just give us one hit of adrenaline, but two. Get ready, because any second now we'll feel the raw force of the launch again, before the final free fall.
Falsche Taste gedrückt.
Die Start schon die Stop-Taste.
Herrlich. Ich finde das so gut. Oh, hier könnte die ganze Stadt drin sitzen bleiben. Geht die Luftpumpe wieder an. Guck mal, das hat der kleine Gerstlauer. Herrlich. Guck mal. Bitte? Ach, das ist so süß hier. Einen habe ich noch. Ich will Luft aus dem Reifen raus.
What a rush. The Screaming Eagle delivers exactly what it promises. From the explosive launch to the free fall, this tower has it all. I hope your adrenaline levels are maxed out now too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.